Well, I just set one of the rods up. It's on a whiskey pop up. There's the rod. You can see that. Yeah, I'm just set up just underneath that tree, or about 10 steps away from the island. I am actually. Bit of activity going on there. So I'm on a whiskey boilie with half a whiskey pineapple pop up as well. Must be fishing about 4 inches off the bottom, and I've got to try a bit of float fishing as well. See what I can get from a bit of float fishing. So I've got a bit of sweet corn with me as well. So alright, well, I'll let you know. Keep you informed if I catch anything.